So, out of curiosity, Marcus, aren't you afraid to be labeled as a traitor in your house?
A traitor. Two words love to float around in this society: loyalty and traitor. If you expose the people them and they really want to start a play, yes man, you're not loyal. And if you expose the truth, them call it traitor. Well, guess what? I'm ready to go down with the ship because I'm ready for clean house. So if it means taking a bullet for one of the team, I'm going to do that. Label me a traitor. I am far past doing things for self. I do this for the country. And it's country over self. Any day of the week. And twice on Sundays.
You know, you're talking the talk. Is whether or not you can walk the walk. Please do remember, you're going down a rabbit hole with a point of no return. Be careful of what you ask for, because the truth will reveal itself. Alright, boss man.
You look like you don't understand what I just say. Rabbit hole or pothole, it doesn't matter to me. I'm ready to take a bullet for this country. My country come first, and I'm tired and sick of what this party is doing to the country. And I'm not going to sit here and make them continue to rubbish the Jamaican people. Just do what I ask you to do. That's why I'm here. I'm going to trust you. I know you will execute. And you will see the better picture when I'm done.
Alright, boss. You're painting a very good case. I get you. So tell me, who is the person?
Him name Everton Daly, so-called minister. I want every single dirt you can find on him. I don't want you get any fake news. I don't want you get any assumption. I don't want you get nothing where we give him a leeway to get out of this. I want you gather real facts, cold, hard truth. He's linked to gun runnings, extortion, gangs. He's linked to kidnapping and children being taken away from their families, human trafficking. So when I tell you that this is a bad egg, he's a rotten egg.
Seems like you have a whole heap of work to be done, man. This house needs to be pulled down. Alright, Chief.
The reason why I asked you if you took any of those offers from the media houses is that I want you to focus solely on this, off the books, and give me the results that I need.
Well, so Marcus, you know that this is a very expensive venture though.
Do I look like I'm shaken? Money is not an issue. Get me the results I'm asking for. Get back to me.
Looks like it's going to be a really good year.